Wow, it's so nice and warm outside. Wish I could go and travel somewhere. How about Italy, huh? Wait, I've got an idea. Okay, not that fast. Let's rewind to the beginning. The intro footage is from southern Austria, and after that it's gonna be all about Rome. See ya! Hello from beautiful Rome. It's time for vlog number 3. We're gonna start the day off with a visit of the Vatican City, and then we're gonna do some B-roll shooting, and then we're gonna take a look at the western part of the old town. So let's get to it. Okay, first day is pretty much done. Had a really long walk all around the little streets of the old town. And what we've got here is a nice palm tree scenery. Something about these palm trees, man. Just look at this. This looks so nice. Really inspiring, if you're asking me. Okay, so now we're gonna take a little ride with the metro. Then we're heading to the place where we're staying tonight, which is a nice little camp, pretty little forest. So let's just jump to that part. And here we are. This is the fabulous camp. That's how it's called. It's about probably like 10 kilometers from Rome. It's really nice. I love this forest that they have it in. They have these trees, which I don't know how they're called, but they're pretty cool. And I've got a lot of stuff here. Like there's plenty of stuff. It's not only camping. It's like there's a restaurant, and there's a sports facility here, which has like tennis courts, like lots of tennis courts. See right here. See people playing. You know, enjoying the Friday afternoon. Weekend is coming up, so playing some quality tennis. It's a big sports facility and has a lot of like playground and stuff like that. And yeah, we're staying in these like these interesting little so-called mobile homes that can come in like up to like 4 beds. So yeah, they have like different types of homes here. It's not like only the mobile homes. They have these little like wooden ones. Like, God, I love this forest. It's so nice. No, imagine in the summer when it's like 40 degrees or something like that. You get pretty much mixed shelter, like semi-shelter, so it doesn't get that hot during the summer. And it's like, if I'm not mistaken, it's about like 20 kilometers from the sea. So when you take your caravan and you come around here, you get to be 20 kilometers from the seaside and 20 kilometers from Rome, or maybe even 10. So yeah, I'm gonna go have dinner now and see you tomorrow with day number 2 in Bella Roma.